Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, make sure to hit the like and subscribe. And with that being said, in today's video we're going to take apart the 240 transmission to replace the input and output shaft seals and reseal where the bell and tail housing meet. With that being said, let's get into today's video. Let's go. Alright guys, so I will be jumping in with voiceovers to explain some of the things we did with detail. In these next few clips, we will be removing the two retaining pins that hold the shifter in place. We will basically be hammering them out of place. As you hammer the pins out of place, they will fall into the shifter housing and you will need to make sure you don't lose them. After removing those pins, we move to the bell housing where we remove these 5 bolts that hold this metal plate that houses the clutch pivot ball and retains the transmission fluid. When prying it, we use the pivot ball for leverage. After removing the metal plate, you'll have access to remove the input shaft snap ring and rubber seal. Once the metal plate is removed, you'll need to remove the snap ring that retains the input shaft bearing. The other ring is for the output shaft bearing, it just sits in place, make sure not to lose that one. As you guys saw in the previous clip, we tried to separate the tail and bell housing. The silicone that was previously used wasn't making it an easy job. We tried hammering it at first, then heat, but it didn't work.
Damn. Later.
We tried not to pry anything in between because we didn't want to gouge the aluminum casing, but the silicone seal wasn't budging, so we used razor blades and used them to slit the silicone seal and wedge them in with a hammer to break the seal. Alright, you guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.